Good morning to all of you. In this particular presentation, I am going to describe two things. One is the weekly trend using the one standard deviation method, part we used to publish every week. Second, October trend reversal dates. So, like we have also scheduled one webinar yesterday, many of you have joined in that webinar, and I have also explained that 7 different counters trend reversal date. So this is the October month's trend reversal date. This is the topic we have discussed yesterday evening. Same 7 counters. What is the trend reversal date I will be discussing. We do have an event scheduled on 3rd of October. So please join that so that you can able to in live market. I will demonstrate how to use our one standard deviation software for intraday. If you are interested, you can join. And one request, once you are viewing this video, view till the end so that you can able to understand all the things what I am going to present here. So it is a very serious business once we are in the capital market, all of you know. So we need to understand and apply those concepts very thoroughly. So that is my objective of company. So last week we have projected the expiry week will have maximum till first cycle 10,869. If I just backtest the data, which was there valid from 24th to 27. So if I just backtest, this is the spot market data. So 24th to 27, if I backtest, so the lowest of the till 24th to 27th was 10,883. So future will be at a specific premium, 20-30 point if it is maintaining a premium, but the expiry week it was having very less premium. So till this 1.236 retracement level you have achieved in the Nifty last week as per one standard deviation. And same thing if I am going for the Bank Nifty also achieved the similar success. So if I am just going for the Bank Nifty also, it has achieved the same kind of success. So same kind of success it has achieved 24th to till it has achieved 25,007 it has come 24,904 also has come. So we have achieved certain degree. So this is the Bank Nifty performance also was 25,000 below level it has come in the you can say spot level it is showing this Bank Nifty. So 25,000 below level also it has come 24,678 also it has come on 25th of September. So future level was 24,678 level. So if I just see here last but one target also you have received. So this is about the last week's trade. So for the coming week we are expecting certain trends. Before that I will just take you to the trend reversal dates what we have calculated for the month of September and how far it has come to. So this is what we have calculated for month of September. We have expected. So all counters I cannot able to take. So this is the video is already available in our YouTube. We have taken for 7 counters: Reliance, HDFC Bank, Sun Pharma, TCS, Tata Steel, Nifty, and Bank Nifty. So here you just look into the Nifty and Bank Nifty. It was having the same kind of trend. It was telling that 4th October you have a trend change date. 14th October. Sorry, so it was 4th October there will be a trend change. So 14th September there was a trend change. So I am just negating the October part. So by mistake I told this October. So 8th September there was a trend change date. 14th September there was a trend change date. So when I say about a trend change date as per the WD Gann's method we are calculating, and these two also being calculated based on a specific method. We are converting the numbers to WD Gann formulae. We are using converting a number to degree numbers in the same degree line. That means in one particular trend line 2 to 3 points we are taking, and in that particular point we are adding the low formation day and high formation day to calculate the trend change days. Regarding this also we have a brief video available in our website. If you just go to our website and in our YouTube channel you will find a brief video about this method, how this calculation is being performed and what is the basis of forming that calculation, English and Hindi, both editions, that video you will get it here. So here too, September month trend reversal dates video is there. August months also you will be getting that. So in this particular my YouTube channel, you will find out how to calculate this thing, how to predict the future high and low time using WD Gann principle. So this trend reversal date, this video, if you just look into, you will understand the detailed calculation. So I will not go detail into the calculation. So these are the dates we have just projected for the month of September. What happened in the September, that is very important, we need to see that. Whether 8th or 14th there was a trend change. And one thing you need to know here, the dates what we are calculating, it may fall on a holiday or in a weekend. If that happens, then the preceding day or the succeeding day will act as a trend reversal day. So 8th or 14th, if it is falling on a holiday, then you will be having the next working day or previous working day will be a trend change day. So here 8th was a day. So let us see what happened. Same for the Bank Nifty also. So 8th September we have expected a trend change day. So what happens there? 8th was a holiday. So 7th we have closed slightly up. 6th also, as compared to the 5th price, it was slightly off. So there was a slight uptick here also, 30 to 40 points. So 10th, if you just see, there was a 200-point corrections in 10th, followed with again 11th, there was a correction. Again 12th, there was a consolidation, come correction, so happened 26,500 also it has gone. And 14th is very interesting date to remember. So 14th, there is a trend reversal. The 14th also is one of your trend reversal day. Whatever is the previous trend was there, it will change on that day as per the Gann's method. So 14th September is a trend reversal day calculated. And 14th September, if you just compare with the 12th September, you had some 300 to 400 points of uptake in that. So then 17 onwards the trend has changed. So trend reversal in the sense, trend change means what is the previous day's price was there. If previous day it has closed positive, then that particular day you will be coming to negative. So this is the trend reversal day. So look into the Nifty. So this two also for the last time we have made it. So look into the Nifty. Nifty also we have 14th, same 14th we had the trend reversal day, and we have also same 7th, 8th was a trend reversal day. So we are seeing some 100-point correction happened on the 10th, followed with 11th also a correction, followed with 12th there was a small uptick, and there is a great uptick happens here. So when that trend reversal days you are calculating, those days for Nifty and Bank Nifty I have shown. So using the same method of Gann, we are just projecting the trend reversal date for the month of October. I have taken the September month's high and low formation day. What is the price range it has given? That also I have taken. So price range estimated. What is the high formation day, low formation day, and their calendar days, trading days, price range, all methods, whatever is explained in that same way. 7 counters I am taking consistently the same counters. I am getting that Bank Nifty with one reference. We are getting 6th October, September part we will just strike it down. 2nd October and 24th October, 27th October are the trend change day. Nifty I am getting here 4th October, 11th, 29th and 31st October. 31st October also is coming as a trend change day. Tata Steel I am getting 3rd October, 7th October, 20th, 24th October as trend change days, and TCS 7th October, 14th October, 25th October are the trend change dates. Sun Pharma I am getting 7th October, 12th and 27th October. So these are the October dates of trend change. HDFC Bank we are getting 3rd October and 21st October, 29th October. Reliance I am getting 11th October, 6th October, and 25th October are the trend change dates. So these are the trend change dates we are getting. So how to use these trend change dates? There is a trend change date is falling on this day, then how I will work on that. So 2nd October, imagine 2nd October is a holiday and the trend change date will be affected on 3rd October. Till 6th October, I do not have any trend change date. So second post the second I have in the 6th. So I will be seeing the closing on the 1st October. Imagine, just assume, so this may not be true also. So assume that on the day of 1st October, Bank Nifty closed 100 point plus close. So means the 1st October is the uptrend day. So we are expecting a trend change on the 2nd October. So that day will be a downtrend day. So for that reason, if it is closing 100 point up and imagine that price 25,235 now, if it is going to 25,335 or 25,400, this is the closing on 1st October. And just before closing, I am seeing that second I have a trend change date which is going to be get affected on 3rd. So previous first also it can get affected. If it is going to get affected on 3rd, so I may form a good option strategy just by contrary to the trend, buy one 25,500 put option and sell sell 125,000 put option. So this is only one small example. Many different examples you can form. So you are expecting a trend which will be contrary to today's trend. So you can form any option strategy to take benefit of that. Or if you have an open position, better to hedge before that. You are expecting a trend change date, better to hedge before that. If you have an open position, you are at a profit, close the trade before the trend change getting affected and book the profit and come out. So many ways you can take benefit of that trend change date. So regarding this, we have a very good course available, Gann course. Along with one software mobile app, we have just developed using the same concept. So if you are interested, this is one method. There we have programmed 5 different methods. So if you just go through, this is an Android app and gives you fantastic trend reversal dates projections. How to use that? You can just see this video and the screenshots is like this. It has Gann square of 9, square of 12, Gann angle and volatility, midpoint. All these things you can utilize for the intraday trade, and you can use this software for the trend reversal. This is an Android app which gives you a great accuracy in terms of trend forecast, trend change date. And to remind you, I'll say Gann's method is the only method which can give you the timing analysis. So coming to the next week's trend, so which we are expecting from 1st to 5th. Second, we have a holiday. This is the levels, and as per the one standard deviation, it is saying that above 11,030 for 39.65 or 11,040, you have a chances to 11,281. Below 10,890, you have a chances to fall down till 10,649. So this is what the levels for the Nifty, and for Bank Nifty we are expecting that above 25,460 you have chances to go till 26,189. Below 25,010 you have all chances to fall till 24,281. So this is the level. How to work on this? So these are the levels you got. There is a real-time volatility. There is a last traded price we are taking. We are taking Fibonacci ratio. We are projecting all this. Everything, all this mathematics is correct. That how to use it, how to use this particular reading. So I have given a very clear indications here how to use it. If Nifty crosses 11,011 by the future, same time you hedge it with 11,000 put option. If the first target hits, so which is 0.618, this one, trail your stop loss to 11,040. Second target hits 11,119. Trail your stop loss to 11,063. Like this way, you go on trailing your stop loss till or you book the profit and come out. So this is the way you should use. Same way, one description also is given here. You can download this report from the download link of our website, and here download market report is there. make use of that, and just feel for a couple of weeks how this report works. This is a weekly trend, and if you want to experience the same concept on intraday, do join the 3rd October webinar. So these are the things you are getting, and you remember this trend reversal dates is being done just with one method, low angle reference. And just to take a note of this thing, if you cannot able to take all 7, just have a note of this date: 6th of October, 2nd of October, 24th of October, 27th of October. These are for the Bank Nifty. 4th, 11th, 31st. These are the for the Nifty. These days you will expect a trend change. Keep a note, and trend change means what is the closing of the previous trading day. If it is positive on trend change day, you will get negative. And this is not a 100% accurate method. There is no such 100% accurate method available. However, this particular method will give you 60 to 70% of accuracy. So just observe for this 7 counters trend reversal date what I have given. For this month, it is not only for this month, you have a record for August, you have a record for September, and you have a record for October and May. So you have a record for the August, you have a record for the September. This is the August video. You can see some 6,000 people have tested this as per the video view. So for September also, near to 5,600 people tested this. So you too also test this and just share your experience with me at the month end of October, whether this works or not. And if you are interested, yes, this process works, and I want to learn that. We have a fantastic product, WD Gann's product. You can take this, you will get the formulated many methods of WD Gann you can able to learn. You can see this course section, you will get to know what is the concept of available in the DVDs, what is the concept available in the book, everything you can able to learn, and along with that you will get one software also, time analysis software. So this particular software comes free for you along with the course in this particular course. So all these features of this software are being given here. Just click here and see that this particular software. So test it and give your feedback. Thank you.